Hello and welcome to Cafe Chronicles. I'm Steve. So today we're going to be taking a little look at getting the clutch lever on the bike and seeing if we can't connect up the cable up to the clutch and see how it goes. Alright, let's get stuck in. Well, you guys can see here, this clutch cable is just, it's too long. I've made a mistake by ordering the original clutch cable. So it means that it's like way too long because of the clip-ons. So for the time being it'll do, but I think what I'm gonna have to do is order one off Tinterweb. That's a shame, but hey, you know what, it's not the end of the world. We won't do the adjustment on the clutch because, well, one, we're going to be changing it, the cable, and two, you know, it's probably best that we wait until the bike is running before we really do that. Apologies for the noise here. It's the ultrasonic cleaner doing a good job. I'm just going to give this a little clean before we put it on. I cleaned this like about a year ago when I actually took off the clutch first. But I've become quite a pro with, I won't say pro, I've started to learn a lot about polishing little bits and pieces and just little things like tips and tricks. Sort of like steel wool does a really nice job on cleaning these bits up. So, just to give you kind of an idea of what that looks like. For instance there, I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Just gets a little bit scuffy along there. But if we hit it with the steel wool a little bit, so if we take a look now, does a really nice job of cleaning it up. Just a tiny little thing with that, but hey, it makes a difference. Sorry about the noise of this thing. Like I said, we'll change out that cable so that it's something a little bit better and that suits it a little bit better, but for the time being I think it does what it needs to do, so that is cool by me. that will allow us to start the bike and yeah, move on to the next stage. Okay, well, thanks for tuning in. We got the clutch cable on. It's a little too long, but it'll be fine for starting up the bike. As soon as we get the hoses on the carbs and stuff, will be good to see if this thing's going to start. Fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed at home for me. Yeah, so thanks for tuning in. Just one thing, I will be purchasing another clutch cable on there, a shorter one. So I'm going to measure up the kind of delta, the difference between what should be nice and neat and the length of these things, and I'm going to order another one. So that there is off the 421 website. It's a let's say a genuine Honda CB750 replica clutch cable. So anybody who wants it, just message me and I'll send it to you. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and stay safe out there, and talk to you guys soon.